Hey everybody, welcome once again. Here we are at Andromeda District. We just want to create a series for all of you plant lovers out there, or plant parents I should say, who really like plants and that come to our store and ask us many questions about how to care for your plants. We decided to create this as a way of educating and also creating awareness about how to take care of your plants. All right, so we're gonna just get right on it, okay? I want to start with Monstera. It's one of the most popular plants in United States, and it's one of our most popular here too at the store. The formal name is actually a Monstera Deliciosa, and in Spanish it translates almost as if as a delicious monster. So it's a really cool name for it. People really love it, and the reason why they love it is because in terms of design, it's a plant that can create the most random and the most pale type of space into a beautiful oasis of life, because the plant has really modern lines. It also grows in most interior spaces. This is a plant that really requires not too much light, but it can adapt if it's let's say under a tree or exposed to the evening sun or the morning sun. It can adapt to some sun, but it's predominantly a plant that likes to be in the shade. This is a plant that really reacts and responds to you watering it. So what this plant likes is three times a week water, right? So but if you water it 2 times a week and you're pretty regular watering the plant, nothing's gonna really happen to it. It's gonna be just fine with 2 times a week. The measure of water is typically 12 ounces. 12 to 16 ounces is what you need to water into the plant. Typically the plant will get that water. Whatever it doesn't need, it will just drain out. Okay, so you're not too worried about watering it too much. What you want to make sure though is that the soil is moist, not muddy but moist. There is a difference in that, and plants should be beautifully growing if it's under those conditions. It will do really well under AC and under interior spaces. It loves interior spaces, it loves AC. If you want to learn more about the Monsteras, come on over to our store, check out what we have in inventory, and we'd love to help you and take care of you. Thank you.